barikade.
We have boko.
Enya boko sa say alaji for no epese omode sala ne ko hyesa akode na na omo ko awe nam no but oye den ye bebe fi ababere nam bi.
Where there we pull up in a Range Rover. Ababere now no.
Banka typically panka sala do say panka deflex ne VIP mu no na ebo.
Aye na FBS.
Sa akode ya age afa say ne nyom ko na ye ebo. He said deflex be any day. So the flex.
We the flex. Oh, me nigga pan.
No ma reho bi sir.
Enye de ono otwa no aso otwa no zongo community.
Yeah, zongo community. Afa fi ashade. Ene nkrebofo na nya. So omo Islam carol no.
Eno sa anyum no.
Sala carol. Say wo Christmas carol.
So mo de
95.1.
Oh. Felicia ma feel.
So me say me share wache.
Me too kwan me hu. What's the Ghana about so many people with too kwan akwa. Too kwan akwa ba Ghana for you. Me hu Felicia che. Felicia Ghana to say.
That's me ye meshi. Ghana to kwa de Ghana sham.
Ozo bibia boko. Vai me nche de hu.
Me akwa me too kwan yo me ko ja o.
Ogoy.
Yeah me too kwan.
Ah sir.
Yeah me too kwan.
We caterpillar o too kwan.
Lekzy, ano pa yamo ko mo de na ekoso.
Abden na ekoso a me name bra nyame adom etimi too kwan akọ
South Africa. Yeah. South Africa.
Ghana for person be feel special in South Africa they higher.
Omo boa. South Africa plane.
Oh, winter.
How many hours?
6 hours.
What I say? Enya here ya.
No crampo no. We did the first Yako in here transit, so we touched down at Rwanda.
Wow.
South Africa. Nyame adom me who Rwanda from me.
Yeah.
95.1.
This is beautiful.
Yeah,
this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice experience.
Oh,
first I went to no nana.
Oh, you tutu kwan ya makoto good. And no za story no na back question pa be ku Santana. Ka jem so de mi be tu kwan. Mama hu wiase. Also say de be ko French country. Makobo mi mama amane mama.
95.1.
Ade akwa sorry kra ma sorry mpenifu afre mi abegina sorry nim se me ko France.
Tu kwan.
Me ko France. Atini omunsa. Abi ma sha ye frame me for passport. Danny do ya osimi hia no Accra Tourism Center because ya bus na esi wa ya twa enim lome. Me ma me frame me o se kwa me ma tese awo aba ya sha o jacket me se ma o Togo he ya ente me be fi. Enti yako Togo ni yako Nigeria. Nso comedy na na
That's nice.
But there will be more coming very soon.
And to say, I'm not the stand-up comedy special because I know that's what's coming.
Yeah.
Mo share my experience. Yeah, I'm coming to be here.
O say your call, you know, the Nchake same command na be la last son of events factory. So
Onua FM 95.1.
Ono they seen any so say we are creative now, o person who experience it life outside Ghana. I bet me what me a grow carry na. Uhuna, we will try and find and create avenues for the tuning in. South Africa is one of them. And just one, like the whole Africa, you can't crowd more J comedy to my here. South Africa, and Nigeria. See, I'm ready by no day. So when we went there, we realized that comedy done over there is different. There's more to the job than what we do here. You could see there, reconnect, and also perform to the people. And it was a great experience because we realized that because the things we tell them are almost crying. O catch a gun in here, oh bread, and then Wajia to me so say and I want but over the day are quite open to new stuff, you know. You're quite near my who you know, yes, when you're in Ghana for me. Will be a who South Africa to say, depending also. You're seeing in your bed and say, good die back,
more money,
yeah, money, and Yama Bono, a buffer for
saying 150 Ghana cedis.
Yeah,
Aye, because Mate. I made my church. I'm a big fan. 150 Ghana cedis. What do me, Mike? I said, I will do Mike. Say, yeah.
Hello.
It's
my sound. Okay, so rate near 100 Ghana cedis. That's early bird ticket. Until from now, we see Friday. The open tickets maybe you can take advantage and buy the 100 Ghana cedis. I'll train Saturday.
Maybe you get what they are.
150
Ghana cedis.
And code out the tickets in here *713 *101#. *713*101# and your V tickets now and making it possible. So they have a lot of events that punch a short code. The Omega is the event code near then. Yeah, event near 15. And it gives you the opportunity to buy your ticket. And this also there, then you have to come to the gate and pay for it. But for me now, Saturday, if you are a corporate body or anything, maybe media general say, "Mo see a bar, you bet on tickets, in bulk. Maybe you'll be on sponsor, and the rest of the team will come through and do that." See, because I said that PC in the man unia for some soya sini, mo boy and the comedian.
And me share mo be brain. How many on board for the night?
On the night, for the first time, not for the first time though, but like I said, this one the experience will be different because the two comedians will be on the stage
Together
at the same time. They will take you on the whole journey at essay.
But I'm a duo, like
yeah,
a performance.
duo, like a just two
performing together.
I did comic acting, but stand up comedians may know. Original stage, you know, a being chadency or
more record.
Or Kamaka. So we were doing like over 2 hours back to back. I know that Ebekoso. You're showing him say do that now. But by Saturday we are 1st July. A holiday.
It's going to be catching so busy.
But Felicia will invite my woman.
Meba. Oh, are you dear me by Debbie Brian Ojo,
they know by.
Let me jam it front seat.
That's a median one.
Oh, they know
last year.
Let me cry.
And this one.
Let me cry. I fed them about. To me, Jim, dear more thing. Was Saturday. Also,
but so we'll take it no you've making available.
Thank you so much.
Felicia, I know that why a TikTok or
me patchomat, my endorsement video mama.
We producer person make sarko de any else. But Mr. Me hu nsem kra me kan wie.
Nyame nshira onye okese Wajen chere ne same mum asa na wa sorry.
E wode.
Sarko de any bonus.
Oh, ne betimi aka ne say uchiro book Ghana for dodo na ye nkan.
Ba ubonyum de ebeti
no cre ana be bia to book no bo mu nkan book no to ya no we bi esa de page no o kan no we book no aka no on fa alaje
if you ever use cinema mo na de okay ever use
cinema o de try send it to Netflix probably that one would have been better because book no there no cre yen Ghana for your participate but ni nyina mu ya ka say nyame hira omumie no say o mama sala no amu ayede amaye
Yami inshallah. Badekade.
Pampa mommy asemeti here.
But you nebo mo de na ma amuso.
DJ.
Mananyum no fa so nkwa bonten. Mananyum nkwa bonten.
Ensantini a ebe eye sa akode ni nebusuafo mommy ampeni omo e.
You ready? Kiwa. And that fire. What else? You know what time it is.
Download exclusive on every pro.
Come finally me do. My mentor tell them okay can move feminine blue. Cat laser. Buhumia kemu hallelujah. Obedi mu to me from head of Medu. People know me to be one of the
more from head of Medu.
But I leave
head of Venice and they will yes same crew.
Apology go person yet to send me actually make you follow me.
African origin travels and sports tourism Captain Smart in the team major abontima just so mu de vem obem.
Yeah, me something so good.
And into my mirror pay up and tentem because the speed is about to get speedy. African origin travels and sports tourism. Birmingham Commonwealth Games and London tour. Yami Adwuma Adwuma and your holidays. Want to find that this is the opportunity for you to grab. The Yana so by deposit of 5,000 Ghana cedis. Put you 5,000 and no Jensen now what just say you are coming on this vacation with us. Packages it includes visa application support, visa fee, UKVI, accommodation in London and Birmingham, travel insurance, breakfast. Interested people, number to me at 0544347003. 0544347003. And that's 0544232211. 0544322111.